The cost of everything sucks right now. But if you think you can't afford a home, think again. Buying your first home doesn't mean emptying out your savings or having a sky-high mortgage payment. There are real ways to make home ownership more affordable. So listen up. Gone are the days of needing 20% down to buy a home. First-time home buyers can qualify with a couple different loans. First, there's an FHA with only 3.5% and flexible credit requirements. You can qualify for an FHA loan. There is also a conventional loan where you can qualify for as low as 3%, but you got to be a qualified buyer. Then there's the VA loan, which 100% financing, so zero down, but you must be a veteran or in the military. That means for a $400,000 home, your down payment could be as low as $12,000 to $14,000. Way more doable than you think, right? Did you know that many cities, counties, and states give money to first-time home buyers? Some programs offer grants, and grants are free money you don't have to pay back. Then there's deferred loans, where you have no payments until you sell or refinance. Then you have low-interest second loans, which give you extra help covering the down payment. Some programs will even match your savings or help cover closing costs. You can also lower your monthly payment with a seller rate buy down. So here's a smart hack. You have the seller help buy down your mortgage rate. This means the seller pays part of your interest up front, reducing your monthly payment. Let's break it down like this. Say you're buying a $400,000 home with today's interest rate of 7%. Your monthly mortgage might be around $2,660, but if the seller pays for a 2-1 rate buy down, your rate starts 2% lower in the first year, cutting your payment down to $2,150. That's $500 monthly savings. Over time, that means thousands saved while you settle into your home ownership. Of course, you still got to qualify, but that's why you start now. Even with all these savings opportunity, you still need to qualify for a loan, which means credit, income, and debt matter. But here's the good news. You can boost your credit in a few months by paying down debt and making on-time payments. Lenders offer pre-approval so you know exactly what you can afford. Getting prepped early means when you find the right house, you're ready to go. Bottom line, home ownership is possible sooner than you think. With the right down payment programs, seller incentives, and planning, you could be in your first home way sooner than you thought possible.